Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today with a Happy Crafter Shop haul. And I did already dig into this box. I started recording the video, and so a lot of stuff is already unwrapped here. But I had my window open, and it's beautiful outside, and somebody's running a lawnmower out there. So I had to trash that video and start over again because it was pretty loud. So anyway, I just want to give you a quick look at her thank you card here, and her shop and her channel information is all on here. If you need to contact her or you want to see her crafting or shop at her shop. So that's that. And my order did come a little bit later than usual. And I understand that Lisa had not been feeling well. So she did send me an extra little freebie for the order coming late. But honestly, I didn't mind. I'm just glad Lisa is feeling better, and do thank her very much for the extra freebie. So this is one of those beatable dangles, and it's a nice little umbrella. And my regular freebie, she sent me a pack of these mini rose cabochons, and you can see all the fun colors that are in there. So pretty. These are great in the middle of bows as well as other projects. So those are cute. And I have recently been collecting for my stash cabochons and charms in insect themes. So when I saw these in her shop, I had to grab 2 packs of them. Okay, so look at how cute that is with the lavender, the pink, and the blue wings on there, the little yellow bodies, and it's got a cute little smile on its face, and the backs are yellow. So those are super cute. Love those. Then I picked up a pack of these little word cabochons, and these are tiny, so hang on, let me flip them over here. You do get a variety of words. So if you can see there, we've got happy and love, good. What's this one? Happy, sweet. What's this one here say? YYDS. I'm not really sure what that is, but maybe somebody can tell me in the comments down below. And lucky. So those are cute, sweet little things. Then I picked up a pack of her flower cabochons this time. And look how pretty those are. You get pink and green. Really, really pretty. Love those. And then I picked up a number of her packets of iridescent or AB beads. So I got the yellow and the pink. I got the light green and the pretty blue. And I also got the purple, and this bag was open in the box, so I just put them in a little dish here. So pretty, great for your dangles. And then I got a pack of these little faceted beads in multicolor. Those are cute. Kind of look like little fruity pebbles to me. Very cute. And I got a number of beatable dangles. So let's see, we got this jelly jar. Super cute. I picked up 2 of the strawberries and 2 of the lemons. And so there's an extra lemon and extra strawberry. And then I got the cute butterfly ones. So pretty. So that's what I got from the Happy Crafter shop this time around. I hope you enjoyed seeing my haul. If you're interested in anything, be sure to check out her shop and see what she's got left. I've mentioned before in previous videos, her stuff is wildly popular. And when the releases go out at the first of the month, you got to shop fast and you got to shop early to get the best selection. And once again, here's her Instagram, her YouTube, and her shop address. So thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, and you will check out the Happy Crafter shop and check out her YouTube channel as well, because on YouTube and on Instagram, she posts a lot of her own handmade projects, and she is an awesome crafter. So yeah, that's what I've got for you today. I hope you have a great evening, and I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.